Hello everyone, myself Subhaprada, Assistant Professor of Mechatronics Department, MEM School of Engineering. Today we are going to see about the professional ethics in engineering, unit 2, that is engineering ethics. Let's see. So engineering ethics. In unit 2, what are the things we are going to see about means senses of engineering ethics and what is engineering ethics. Then we are going to see about the variety of the moral issues have been occurs. Then what are the types of inquiry has been occur, moral dilemmas, moral autonomy, Kohlberg's theory and Gilligan's theory. Then we are going to see about the consensus and controversy, models of professional roles, theories about the right actions, self-interest, customs and religions, uses of ethical theories. Let me see one by one. So first we are going to see about what is engineering ethics. So engineering ethics is nothing but the identification, study and resolution of ethical problems occurring in the practice of the engineering professions. So engineering ethics is the activity and discipline which is aimed at understanding the moral values, and it is taught to guide the engineering profession or practices. So resolving the moral issues in engineering, we have to justify the moral judgments in the engineering levels. So the engineering ethics will be deal with the more number of problems and issues which has been faced by the engineers. So these are known as the engineering ethics. Next we are going to see about the engineering ethics is defined as both codes as well as the standards of conduct which is endorsed by the engineering professions. So in our society we have to respect all the set of beliefs that will show your attitudes, your habits, and also it will be displayed in a individual or in a group manner. So most of the important goals of engineering ethics is discovering the moral principles of obligations. That is it should be represent the rights, and it also deals with the engineers to apply to the concrete situations. So engineering is most largest profession, and it will decides the engineers to affect of us. So this engineering ethics will be mainly endorsed by the professionalism persons. Scope. So the scope of the engineering ethics is of two folds. One is ethics of the workplace, which involves the co-workers and employees of the organization. Second thing will be the ethics which is related to the product or work, and it will involve the transportation, warehouse, use of safety and precautions. Then it will end of the product, it will overcome the environment outside the factory. So some of the dimensions of engineering ethics are it should be acting under area of inquiry. We have to controversing the moral problems from the non-moral values, and also we have to describe the beliefs, attitudes, habits, and is related to the individual. Then we have to correct the moral values. So there is an approach. So the two approaches we are going to study in the engineering ethics. What are the two approaches means? One is the micro ethics and another thing will be the macro ethics. So you all know that micro ethics means in our everyday life the problems will be occur. So that the engineers will face in their professional ethics. So that is it deals with the decision and the problems of individual, companies and professionals. Next thing will be the macro ethics. So it means that all the societal problems that will encountered by the engineers by using their career paths. So it deals with societal problems. That is we shall know we shall tell about that regional or national level. For example, we can say that is the global issues, collective responsibilities of groups, professional societies and consumers. So these all things will be comes under the macro ethics. Senses of engineering ethics. So there are two different senses of engineering ethics. One is the normative and another thing will be the descriptive senses. So the normative senses will includes the normative senses includes the that is it will be include the knowing the moral values, finding the accurate solution to the problems, and also justify the moral judgments in engineering practices. So we have to study their decisions, and we have to policy the methods, study the policies, values, and also we have to desirable with the engineering practice and researchers. So we have to use the codes of ethics and standards and apply them in transactions by the engineers. So descriptive senses means that we have to define the senses which will be refers to the specific individuals or group of engineers. So that should be in a paragraph. So you have to justify the beliefs and actions whatever else had been overcome in the descriptive senses. Next, the morality. So what do you mean by morality? So morality means that it should be a moral value that is concerned with moral situations. So here you can find out which one will be the wrong and which one will be the right situations for handling the morality. So next thing, we have to find out the good or bad of the peoples, then their policies, ideas, what are else involved in the morality. So this will be according to the Oxford Dictionary. The morality will be means that it will be a principle of concerning the right and wrong or good and bad behavior. So moral reasons are required to support the act which should be called as a morally right act. Next, what are the things we have to follow the moral values means you have to respect others and you also respect yourself. Then only we can respect to others. And also we have to respect the rights of others. We have to keep the promises to others by following the moral values. And also we have to avoid the unnecessary activities that will pain the others' heart. So next we have to avoid the cheating process and we have to avoid the dishonesty level. So on showing the gratitude for others, we should be make it as a favor. So encouraging, we have to encourage the teamwork. So these all things will be made yourself as a to respect for the moral values. Next, moral problems which should be arise in engineering. What are the moral problems? The first thing, moral problems which is arise in engineering is organization. When you are compared to organization means there will be three parts. One is the engineer, manager, colleagues. So whatever else the engineers is doing that will be controlled by the managers, and they will get an idea or anything else from the colleagues. So these all things will be in so many problems will be arise that should be fully controlled by the engineers. Second thing will be the clients or customers. After coming to the clients or customer, after the organization is finished, the organization will enroll their problems to and get the problems arising from the clients and customers. They will resolve the problems and enrich their ideas. After that, completing the clients or customers, then there will be competition with the competitors. So if there is an organization means there is two competitors. So we have to make over their problems and we have to develop the one of the moral issues. After that, we have to go for the law, government and public agencies. Then we follow the laws and government policies and also enroll the correct manner. After that, we have to go for professional societies. In our professional societies, it will be more learn about the moral problems in engineering resources. So this will develop their society environment. So it will keep the environment clean and we can maintain a highest level in the society. After that, we have to follow the family. So if there is any problems or issues occurs in a family means we have to moral support their problems and recognize that problem in a easy manner. Thank you.